In court watch, the driver accused of causing a collision that killed a Hanford teen went before a judge this morning. Ashley Engen is facing a misdemeanor charge after a Fresno County crash that killed 14-year-old Marissa Cardona in March of last year. That collision also left Marissa's mother with severe injuries she's still coping with more than a year later. Action News reporter Alyssa Flores is in studio now with why today's hearing is giving the Cardona family some hope. Alyssa?
Margot, Engen is facing misdemeanor manslaughter without gross negligence. Today, a judge postponed the arraignment until June, and Marissa's family is hoping the extra time will allow the district attorney's office to gather more evidence that will lead to harsher charges.
And we all stand together, and we're just looking for answers, we just want justice for Marissa.
The people who loved 14-year-old Marissa Cardona stood outside Fresno County Superior Court Tuesday morning. It's been more than a year since the Saturday morning Marissa and her mother were headed to a softball tournament when at the Fresno County intersection of Mount Whitney Avenue and Cedar Avenue, a vehicle crashed into them. CHP says Ashley Engen was behind the wheel of the other vehicle and didn't attempt to stop at the stop sign while going 76 miles per hour. Marissa died at the scene. Her mother, Leticia, is still in a wheelchair, recovering from life-changing injuries.
It's like every day we got to wake up to that reality, that she's not with us.
Tuesday, a judge postponed the case until June. Engen is facing a misdemeanor charge of vehicular manslaughter without gross negligence. But Marissa's family is hoping that the next time Engen goes before a judge, the charges she's up against will be harsher.
They've indicated this morning that they are seeking some additional information, and we hope that that information is the information that we've been asking them to seek for some time now.
Marissa's family wants the DA's office to get to the bottom of whether Engen could have been under the influence or distracted.
One of the main things we're asking for is for the medical records, cell phone records, something that's going to tell us what was going on in that car at the time of the accident.
And Engen is due back in court on June 1st. In addition to the criminal charge, there's also a civil case that's ongoing right now. The complaint alleges that even though there have been multiple accidents at that intersection, the county didn't install a traffic control device or add signage. It also names Engen and her significant other, Stephen Smith, who owned the vehicle as defendants. Margot, Warren.